chiropractor, so I expect that you would maybe be a little bit more in tune, in line.
I draw a lot, so my wrist, I don't know if they're fine, but like sometimes they like that.
Mm-hmm.
The little clink.
Okay.
It's kind of gross.
Okay. All right. So, where was that? What was I?
Something is I do sit like this a lot, and like if I like see like a photo of myself like drawing or like getting something, I'll be like, oh, it's like very like, you know, like fucking like hunchback, and I'm like, and I'm like, is that even realistic for people to do?
Yes.
To stand like this?
Yeah, absolutely.
I've like done it at one point in time, and I'm like, I can like almost remember it.
But let's do an exam, and then I'll get your spine adjusted. Okay, G. All right, I'm gonna do a temperature evaluation on the back of your hand, with the back of my fingers. Very symmetrical, nice and even from left to right. Maybe just a tad warmer at the very, very top in your cervical area. I'm gonna push a little bit deeper into your muscles, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna palpate your SI joints here. Any tenderness there?
It tickles.
Tickles?
Yeah.
What about this side?
It also tickles.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna slide down to the SI joint here. All right, so we're gonna do this where you keep your feet together on the ground, okay? Apart from each other.
Like, what?
Okay, so leave your feet flat on the ground and then open your knees.
But my feet are touching?
Yep, keep your feet flat on the ground. Keep them on the ground and then move your knees apart from each other. You like open your legs.
Okay. I want my knees to tilt.
You can tilt them a little bit, that's okay. Good. And then close. Open. Close. Open. Close. One is dropping nicely. This left one is not, though. Okay, so possible restriction on the left. Go ahead and stand up. All right, so I'm going to measure your glute fibers, okay? This. I'm going to trace up to the bottom of your glute folds. Just stand up nice and tall. Good. I'm going to trace up to the bottom of the glute folds here. Slightly lower on the right, meaning your right ilium is possibly going posterior like that. Looking from the top. Slightly external rotated on the right, so possible PIEX or an ASIN depending on the leg. Okay, let your head relax. Okay, no rib pumping here, no asymmetries to the left or right. No.
I'm fine.
Alright, I'm going to push down into your pelvis, okay?
Alright.
Any pain, discomfort here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Okay, just relax. I'm just measuring your leg length here. Let your hips relax. Because first of all, no one laughs at that last one. You're the first person ever to laugh. Actually, we'll start on the easy. KJ, you ready to get adjusted?
Mm-hmm.
And out through your mouth. Good. Sinking in shoulders, sinking at the end of this breath. We'll give a little push like that, okay? We're going to go and down. Good. And out. All right, so I'm going to bring your hips down. You know what to do. Okay, so you're going to breathe. Go ahead in and out. Good. We're going to bring this a little bit more. Good. Good. Lay on your back. This crack's for you. Not that one. Hold on, this one. Good. Lay on your back.
Hey, Mom. I love you. Thanks for giving birth to me. Okay, can I do my bird noise real quick?
Yeah.
Wait.
Four, three, two. Where do you feel it more? You feel it up here?
Yeah.
Or...
Well, when you apply more pressure, I feel it down there.
Okay, no. It's not more. Same pressure. Awfully. You're good. Can you breathe into your belly? And out. That was good. Action like that, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so go ahead and take a deep breath in. Good, and out.
Holy I'm so sorry. No, you're gonna have to bleep that out. Oh my god, that was just like kind of like whoa. My neck feels like a baby neck. It's very tender and I have no pain in my body. Oh my gosh.
In Vermont?
Mm-hmm.
Forward a little bit. Good. Slouch a little bit.
Ooh.
Okay, same thing. I'm reaching around the front, holding onto your elbow. Lean forward. Good. One more time. Let this go. Loose, loose, loose.
Ay, Dios mío. What? Oh my god. I'm sorry, that was silly.